Hi friends, and welcome to week 5 of our kindergarten readiness videos. I'm Miss Bree. Let's get started. Before we start our new letters for the week, let's review our old ones. Can you say these with me? A says A and A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E and E. F says F. G says G. H says H. I says I and I. J says J. K says K. L says L. Good job, guys. This week, we're learning about letters M, N, O, and P. So let's start with letter M. To make a letter M, you start at the top and go all the way down to the bottom. Then you come over, start at the top, and go all the way down to the bottom again. Then we go to our first line, down, and up to connect the two lines. M says mm. Let's say that 3 times. M says mm. M says mm. M says mm. Some things that start with M are moon, or mouse, or muffin. Our next letter is letter N. To make it letter N, we start at the top and go straight down. Then we start at the top and go straight down again. Then, to connect the two lines, we go to the top and go all the way down to the bottom. N says mm. Let's say that 3 times. N says mm. N says mm. N says mm. Some things that start with N are notebook, or nose, or nail. Our next letter is O. To make an O, we start at the top and just make a big circle. It's a super easy one. O says O and Ah. Let's say that 3 times. O says O and Ah. O says O and Ah. O says O and Ah. Some things that start with O are owl, or ostrich, or octopus. Our last letter for today is letter P. To make the letter P, we start at the top and go straight down, and then we go back to the top and make a half circle to the middle. P says P. Let's say that one 3 times. P says P. P says P. P says P. Some things that start with P are pizza, popcorn, or pretzel. Let's go through all of the letters that we've learned so far. Say them with me. A says A and A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E and E. F says F. G says G. H says H. I says I and I. J says J. K says K. L says L. M says mm. N says mm. O says O and Ah. And P says P. Good job, guys, and keep working on your letters. Moving on to numbers. So far, we've talked about numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And today, we're going to talk about numbers 9 and 10. So let's start with number 9. To make a number 9, we go around and then go down, go around and then go down, go around and then go down. That's how we make the number 9. To make a number 10, we actually use 2 of the numbers that we've learned before. So first, we just make a number 1. So we start at the top and go straight down. And then we write the number 0. So we start at the top and go around. And that's how we make the number 10. So let's go through all the numbers we've learned so far. Can you tell me what this number is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is super important that you learn how to write these numbers because we use these numbers to make all the rest of them. So keep practicing. If you remember last time, we talked about something called our calendar. And we do our calendar every day in kindergarten to help us know what day it is. Today we're going to practice our month song again. So remember, our month now is July, but there are 11 other months that we need to learn. So try to sing our month song with me. There's January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months of the year. Our other song that we need to learn is our Days of the Week song. These are all of our days of the week. There are 7 of them. So let's learn our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Make sure you practice your Days of the Week song and your month song at home so you know them when you get to kindergarten. If you remember last week, we started talking about patterns. This is one of our ABA patterns. Can you help me finish it? Purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow. What comes next? Purple. Good job. Patterns don't have to just be colors. It can be anything. Like, let's look at this pattern. Circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. What's next? Square. Good job. Let's do one more pattern for today. Can you help me finish this one? Purple, purple, yellow, purple, purple, yellow, purple, purple. What's next? Yellow. Good job. Try to make some patterns on your own at home. You guys did a great job today, and I'm so excited for you guys to come to kindergarten. I'll see you next week. Bye.